How can I stop receiving SMS messages from a particular server or sender?
Hello, everybody. Today, we're going to be tackling a common problem in our digital age: unwanted SMS messages. You may be receiving SMS from certain servers or senders that are unsolicited, annoying, or even suspicious. Don't worry, because today, we're going to teach you how to block these messages, step by step.
Understanding what you're dealing with.
Before we get into the specifics of blocking these messages, it's important to understand what you're dealing with. Not all unwanted SMS messages are created equal. They can come from different sources for different purposes. Sometimes, they are promotional messages from legitimate companies, while other times they can be spam or phishing attempts from malicious entities. To deal with these messages effectively, always remember: never reply to suspicious messages, especially those asking for personal or financial information. If the message comes from a legitimate company but you want to stop receiving it, look for an unsubscribe option in the text, usually at the end.
How to block unwanted SMS on Android.
For Android users, the process to block SMS from a specific number is quite straightforward. 1. Open your messaging app and locate the conversation with the unwanted sender. 2. Tap and hold on the conversation until a menu pops up. 3. Select block number or a similar option. 4. Confirm your decision to block all future messages from this number. Remember, the specific steps may vary slightly depending on your phone model and the messaging app you use.
How to block unwanted SMS on iOS.
If you're an iPhone user, the process is slightly different but just as simple. 1. Open the Messages app and find the conversation from the unwanted sender. 2. Tap on the message and then tap on the sender's name or number at the top of the screen. 3. Select Info, then tap on Info again in the next screen. 4. You will see an option to block this caller. Tap it and confirm to block all future messages from this number.
Contact your service provider.
If the above methods don't work or if you're dealing with a more persistent issue, it may be time to contact your service provider. Most providers have measures in place to deal with unwanted SMS and can assist you in blocking these messages or even escalating the issue if necessary. Make sure to have as much information as possible about the messages when you contact them. And that's it. Those are the steps to help you block unwanted SMS messages from a specific server or sender. Remember, it's crucial to protect your privacy and ensure your peace of mind in our connected world. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, stay safe and secure.